Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make taco egg rolls full guide. Preheat oil to 350 degrees F and gather cooked meat, beans, shredded cheese, and taco seasoning, plus tortillas and egg wash. Chop onions and cilantro, grate cheese, and mix the filling evenly so each roll gets balanced flavor. Work on a clean surface, keep a small bowl of water or egg wash to seal edges, and fry or bake to finish crispy, then serve. Mix simple fillings like seasoned beef, shredded cheese, and black beans for a classic taco egg roll flavor. For a lighter option, use ground turkey, extra veggies, and reduced fat cheese while keeping bold spices. To make vegetarian versions, swap meat for roasted mushrooms and pinto beans, and add cumin and smoked paprika. Always taste and adjust seasoning, and keep filling slightly cool before rolling to prevent wrappers from tearing or bursting while frying. Choose frying for ultra-crisp texture or bake for a lighter result with nearly similar flavor. For frying, maintain oil at 350 degrees F and fry in small batches for 2-3 minutes until golden. For baking, brush egg rolls with oil, bake at 425 degrees F for 12-15 minutes, flipping halfway. Let them rest briefly to set the filling, then serve with salsa, guacamole, or crema, and garnish with fresh cilantro and lime wedges for brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.